Director, Ma'am Aulia Hadika Komar, and all of the audience, thank you for attending my Mineral seminar today. First thing first, let me introduce myself. My name is Balkis Fadila Ramasandra, and I'm from English Education Department. So ladies and gentlemen, before we dive in, let me ask you something. When was the last time you tell a story to your friends? When was the last time you tell a story to your friends? Okay, maybe yesterday, last night, and the other. Actually, that story was funny, dramatic, or even a little embarrassing, right?
Yes.
Alright, but here's the point. You were speaking without fear. You express yourself naturally. That's the magic of storytelling. So today we are not just going to explore storytelling to something as fun or entertaining, but as a real enhancing student speaking skill through storytelling. Next. A simple and human can tell story. Probably a storytelling can improve the speaking student. Now, let me take you back to a common classroom situation. When the teacher asks question to the student in English, and then probably just one or two students can answer the question, right? But what about the others? They avoid eye contact and hoping the teacher won't call them to answer the question. I know all of the audience here so familiar about that situation, right? Or probably you ever do that at senior high school or junior high school. Okay, in the realm of language learning, speaking is often considered very fundamental and are the most complex skill to acquire. Many English as a foreign language students, especially in Indonesia, are hesitant to speak English. Not because they're lazy or uninterested, but because they're afraid. They're afraid of making a grammar mistake, they're afraid to make a mispronouncing word, or probably they're afraid of being loved by their classmates. And sadly, a traditional method can always help our problem, can always help that problem. Drills, repetition, memorization, it might improve accuracy, but rarely it builds confidence. That's where the storytelling comes in. Unlike memorizing a dialogue from a textbook, storytelling invites students to explore their imagination, their intonation of the voice, and then their expression naturally. And the one of important thing is they don't even realize that they're practicing grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation all at once. Next. So ladies and gentlemen, when we talking about storytelling, we are just not focused on fairy tales or folk legend or something that legend story. But actually, speaking is often considered that something that the method something that effective method is can improve the speaking skill of our students. According to Yang Po, it's more than just retelling. So, storytelling is not about retelling a story or about retelling a story to your friend, but actually it might improve your speaking skill and your language is more meaningful personal way. And then according to Zuria, adds that storytelling support both speaking and also listening. It making a dual strategy in classroom in one that situation. Of course, that's a very good strategy for as a teacher, right? And then, according to Hubert, used as a learner center, students use their own words to retell the story. And of course, it makes helping them develop the vocabulary and the structure. It also encourages participation students become active narrator instead of a passive listener. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask you again, what is a storytelling? Yeah, tell about their experience, their daily activity. What should we call? That's a storytelling. Why storytelling? So, ladies and gentlemen, storytelling is a safe space for our student. When the student tell a story, especially one that matters to them, it will make that student let go of that fear. They will forget about that afraid. They will forgetting all of that they afraid. So, it's not about getting it perfect. It's about understood and it's about connection. There is actual data to support this. In a study conducted in Timor-Leste, student speaking score jumped from 4.6 to 7.3 after using storytelling. And according to Swari 2022 found that 70% of students hit the target speaking performance after just 2 cycles of storytelling activity. Just 2 cycles of storytelling activity, it might improve the speaking skill of our students. That's not just differences, but that's a transformation, right? Storytelling is one of the oldest forms of communication we have. But in our rush to adopt the WhatsApp method platform, sometimes we forgot that we have a simple tool that always we use every day and every time, and also it always works. What's that tool? Communicate. Communication with your friends, communication with your parents, that can improve your speaking skills. Next. Alright, here is my conclusion. Storytelling is more than just a fun activity. It is a useful teaching method that supports both language and skills and student emotion, of course. Through storytelling, students can improve their fluency, vocabulary, pronunciation, and also their confidence. As a language educator, continue to seek methods that balance communicative competence with learner motivation. Storytelling emerges as a timeless yet timely solution. In the word of an old proverb says, "Tell me a fact and I will learn, and tell me a story and I will remember." Alright everyone, I think that's my presentation of my article. Maybe the next session is the question and answer, and if you have a feedback you can. Okay, Aryan? Louder, please.
How can ensure our students inform when they use storytelling right?
Can you repeat, please?
How can we ensure our students are informed when using storytelling?
Info student, especially student in the class.
Yes.
Alright, as we say that, so in the classroom, we as a teacher, we need to make sure all of our students can speak English with storytelling. First thing first, we need to make a first step, make a small group to make them tell a story, tell about their activity, tell about their experience or something fun, and that can make our student improve their speaking skill. So we need to practice more. Arya Tama, is it enough? Alright. Maybe for our audience, I need your feedback, suggestions or comment. Enough. Alright everyone, thank you for your nice attention.